If you want to add a picture to a contact on OnePlus 15R, we just have to go to the phone app. Now in here on the home page, we can tap on View Contacts in here, or you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and you can go to Contacts from here. Now on the list of contacts, you should be able to choose the contact for which you want to add the photo, and we're gonna tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner. Now we're gonna tap on this picture that we have in here in order to then choose the picture that we want to set. You can open the camera and take a photo right now. You can go to the gallery, you can switch to Google Photos, you can also set up a monogram or choose one of these illustrations. In my case, I'm gonna go to Device Photos and choose a photo from the gallery. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here, and we can tap on Done in order to select it. You can zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the position of the photo. And then if you finally are done with the photo, by the way, you can also rotate the photo in case you want to do that. Then we should be able to tap on Choose here at the bottom of the screen, and we can save our contact changes. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.